Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the start of the 2-minute video challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to watch the 2-minute Tuesday video. Everybody, welcome Snapple Media. So basically I'm going to do a video in 2 minutes. So I have 2 minutes, I have to upload it today, which is Tuesday. Let's just get into the video. So the video today is, do you want to learn how to take photos like this? There's going to be a picture on the screen, right here. Well, today, we're going to be doing that. I'm going to go out in my main street, get some photos of the cars going past, and I'm going to show you the settings I use, everything I use, and we're going to do this. I'm very excited. Let's do it. So what you're looking for to take those panning shots is you're going to track the car, or the bike, or motorbike, whatever thing you're shooting. Well, here comes a bike. I'll probably be too slow. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it at the speed that it's going and you're going to track it as it goes along. Alright, so I got a couple photos there, but I couldn't get phone set up, so I'll put them up on the screen, but I haven't got them. Yeah, you didn't see how I done it, but I put it on 1/30 of a second and just tracked the bike that went past. I was quick enough so I did it. And I was actually quite proud of the photos. I've been wanting so badly to get a photo of a bike or motorbike. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If I see another bike, I'll put the photo at the end. But yeah, see you later. Peace out.